Installing insulation over non-IC rated recessed downlights can create a fire hazard due to trapped heat. Insulation should never be placed directly over or in contact with these fixtures. Firstly, you can purchase insulated gaskets or boxes that are specifically designed for covering non-IC rated recessed downlights. These covers provide an air gap between the insulation and the fixture, preventing heat buildup. Secondly, you can fabricate a cover using non-combustible materials such as metal or cement board. Ensure the cover is large enough to provide a generous air gap and that it does not block airflow around the fixture. Thirdly, you can install an attic dam around the base of the recessed downlight. This dam will prevent insulation from piling up directly on top of the fixture. Fourthly, you can contact a qualified electrician to install IC-rated recessed downlights, which are designed to be covered with insulation without creating a fire hazard. Ensure that the transformers for the downlights are properly rated for the number of fixtures connected. Check that the electrical wiring is in good condition and meets code requirements. Inspect the recessed downlights regularly for any signs of overheating or damage. Leave a label on the attic insulation near the downlights stating that they are non-IC rated and should not be covered with insulation. It is highly recommended to cover the non-IC rated recessed downlights with an insulated gasket or cover made of non-combustible material. This will prevent the buildup of heat and potential fire hazards.